Okay, all right. So hello. It's been long back. We have planned the entire setup of this Apex hours, but the way like something goes wrong and things were like not so much intact with the plans. Eventually, it is now we are 8 months late, and we are beginning. Let's say never. It's never late. That's one of the legends said. So let's get started. So our initiative is for the community to bring, the concepts, the features, the Apex, whatever, we are playing around and the community is growing up. So our initiative is to have something at some candid level so that we can actually share the ideas with the community, and we can also grow ourselves, we can help through our people. And that's not the very new. Already a lot of things already happening in the community. If you see like D2D is coming up, so everyone should go there, sign up yourself. And there are a lot of things like Oracle community and all. But this is our kind of our personal initiative. We have been planning for a year now. Now we had a discussion with Joel as well about the one of our podcasts, one of our discussion meetings, and all. So everything was just planned, and Joel was appreciating us a lot, but somehow we couldn't get through. And Joel's suggestion was to bring something unique, bring something, whether it is not entirely unique, let's bring things to the community so that people can come up and start putting efforts, and at least they can start getting things as easily as they can. Like it's a Joel's legacy. We want to keep everyone intact. Everyone should be, having a feeling that everything is easily available in this community. So we have started the on-tour solution, I think, way back in 2016. It was just coffee shop idea. We were just having a coffee and we initiated things like, okay, let's have something where we can, bring people in, we can discuss things over, and basically want to waste time. Basically, we want to waste the extra time people are having after the jobs. So unfortunately, we Joel is not with us, and we have to actually make it through, and we have to start somehow to keep Joel's legacy intact. And let's see, here we are. Eventually, we are going to start like some immatures, and the whole idea, day by day, we are going to grow, and we are going to bring more and more people to Apex community. And as much as people learn about Apex, as much as people, start basically investing in Apex in terms of, moving their legacy projects to Apex, moving all the things to Apex, that's gonna be good win for us. And basically, it's gonna be the justice what Joel has planned for the world. So let's see, and let me say what on tour is and why we are doing this. So as I said, like it was just a coffee shop idea at the day we were just doing, and it's been 5 years now, and things were being planned, and nothing actually went through properly. So today we have something already. We might be launching it soon. It is nothing, just a discussion platform where we will be sharing some ideas, and we'll be bringing some legends on the platform, having some discussion on the Apex and all. Like I don't have to name people. There are a lot of like especially I need to get to the Chaitanya as well so that he can give some blessings. And let's see. So let's start with my introduction. My name is Ashish Shai. I'm an Apex passionate, and I have been working in Apex. I think it's been time now. I've been exploring all the versions, the things being introduced through like plugins and all. So we have been trying to integrate a lot of open source APIs to the Apex. And what can I add more? Like putting, things tougher to get directly from Apex. So we have been trying to get through. We are trying to put things some simple scenarios. So we have one of the blogs, basically where we write all the articles. We try to share things in an easy way so that people can see. Also, that is helpful for us We don't have to look for, somewhere around on some other search engine and looking for randomly. So we know where our stuff is basically located. We can directly go and start searching there. It is nothing, just a notes library we have. So that's blogs.ontoolsolution. You can see this. And the site we are about to launch, this is going to be this ontoolsolutions.com. And so that is, I think, pretty less from my side. I'm not nothing much, just the least person of the group. So let's talk about one of the important guy we have in the team. So we have Vikas Pandey here. He's also Apex passionate, working in Apex for so long time right now, and he's being he possesses the Apex plugins skills. He possesses the Apex those complex the background frameworks things he knows about, like Apex templates, themes, and everything. If you just name it, he possesses a lot of stuff. So hello Vikas, what are you doing? How are you feeling of this?
Hello, sir. How are you? I'm good. Thank you so much. Feeling great here. And I'm working with Oracle Apex around 5 years. And also, as discussed, I have knowledge about the PL SQL, Apex, HTML, and also plugins, as well as themes and all.
All right, so you heard about Vikas. So he is being pretty much responsible. If you don't check his plugins, you should cross check basically his one of the plugin, I think, camera integration, and that's gonna be pretty good one. If you have some sort of camera integrations in your applications, you just go and install his plugin. So if you want to find it out, it's here, apex.ontoolsolutions.com/plugins. You can find out the plugin, and that's going to be useful for them. Your customer should feel about, okay, Apex has some sort of features to, you can scan the barcodes and all. So basically it's good. All right, so that's this. And if I just wrap it up by saying, like, in a frequent interval, we are going to have some sort of discussions on Apex, on the new news coming up in the Apex. So we'll be sharing it on frequent basis. So our budget is really slow, so very low, and we might be really slow when we come up with the videos and all the sessions gonna be little uneven timings sort of. So we can't go live just because of the the budget and the infrastructure problems, but we'll try as much as we can. So our plan would be to bringing up some concepts to start putting the sort of neat and clean videos so that people can go through. Also, that's going to be helpful for us. We are going to use it. So eventually the plan is to bring something to the community where people will see and start basically learning, growing, and eventually get success. So whole idea of the OnTour is we basically learn, then we develop the thing, and then we document, and eventually the plan is to share with the community. So all these 4 thumb rule we follow. We are gonna learn, then develop, then document, and eventually gonna be sharing with the community. So bless us and come to us, and please help us around. Whoever is saying, whoever has anything to come up, like, you can come up and share some ideas and discuss with us, and we are gonna move it through. All right, that's it. Thanks.